Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, I'm excited to share an update on my fall 2025 small space deck vegetable gardening. If you've been following along, you know I've been experimenting, growing various vegetables in limited space. My deck receives partial sun, which means it receives 4 to 6 hours of direct sunlight. Let's dive right in. Little Jim is a small, versatile variety of lettuce. She's a fun girl. She's a cross between romaine and butter lettuce. And if you haven't noticed yet, I started some snap peas in these containers hanging here on the deck. So my idea is as the snap peas grow and trail, I'm going to train them to attach and grow along the deck railing. I've been doing the same thing with my sweet potato vines, so I think this will work out just as well. I treat sweet potato leaves in the summertime like I do my lettuce greens that I grow during the cooler months because they're so sweet and tasty. I'm also growing the delicious cilantro, also known as coriander leaves or Chinese parsley. I've also been experimenting with this Luffa sponge gourd plant. When harvested young and tender, Luffa fruits can be eaten as a vegetable, similar to zucchini and squash. Or wait a little longer and allow them to dry out for a fun spa experience. Luffa requires 6 hours of direct sunlight, ideally 8 to 10. So I'm not sure if I'll be getting that, but again, it's an experiment, so we'll see. Again, I'm experimenting. I'm regrowing a store-bought pineapple. Wish her luck. I'm also growing this Sister Girl okra up here on the deck as we are closing out the summer season heading into fall. In case you missed it, this is my new addition, my baby girl. Isn't she green? My very first, probably won't be my last. Oh, the addiction is real. Say hello to my new GreenStalk. Many of my fall leafy greens that I recently planted are coming along nicely. Taking the time to appreciate the plants and environment around us is truly important. Any Star Wars fans out there? A limited edition. Go Princess Leia. Back to the more important things in life, like these plants. Hey Rosie. Rosemary is extremely aromatic and chock full of so many health benefits. Take a page from Rosemary's book. She is so unbothered. Let's check out this gang. What's growing over here? Elox, I refuse to buy lettuce from the grocery store when we can grow it right here at home. Butter crunch lettuce and more peas. Commercial sky break. I absolutely love my lemon balm for its lemon scented leaves and calming properties. The more you prune it, the more it bushes out. I will definitely be sharing more updates as the season progresses. I wanted to show you my deck because I feel like many people think that they need a lot of space to grow food, and so I'm showing you that even in a small space such as my deck area here, and even smaller, honestly, you can grow a lot of food on a patio, on a balcony. Use your railings to grow vertically. So recently I was trying to decide what to do with this shower caddy, and I thought, hey, I could use this outdoors on my deck. So I grabbed some cable ties and I hung it, and so I'm using it to hold some of my fall starters. And I love the idea. I'm thinking about maybe painting it white so that it blends in with the deck railing, but yeah, we'll see. When growing in limited space, you definitely have to get creative. Like put on your thinking caps. Think, think, think. Playing around with location, moving containers from this spot to that spot. Definitely observing which of my plants need more sun or which plants benefit from more shade. So, all in all, it's about finding the right plant varieties, the right location, and my goodness, timing, planting at the right time. It's crucial. And honestly, it's all part of the fun. Learning what works in your neck of the woods, in your area, in your garden. When you find varieties of plants that work for you, keep growing it. Butter Crunch grows really well in my garden, so I love the taste and it works well, so I keep growing it. Not sure what's going on in that blue container there to the left. I don't know if I planted seeds there or not, or whether they just need a little bit more time. I hope this video shows or inspires someone out there how to grow vegetables in a small space. In this raised container here, I have some fall seedlings as well as some zucchini. I thought I'd start a zucchini plant and see if we're able to get some fruit from it. Another experiment. I'm always experimenting, trying to figure out which varieties are going to work best for me and in my Zone 7B Maryland garden, as well as seeing what I can plant towards the end of the summer for an early fall harvest. I'm growing peas and beans in my main garden, but because the GreenStalk is new to me and because I'm also experimenting with different plants on my deck garden, I thought I'd give peas and beans a try to see how they do using this system and growing them on my deck as opposed to in the main garden. And in case you're wondering, I'm growing the strike beans here as well as bush beans. I'm also growing the beautiful lacinato kale, also known as dinosaur kale, and I transplanted this from my indoor hydroponic system. It has adapted well to the soil. I planted some salvia because I love color in the garden and this deck is lacking color. There's a lot of green going on, but I need some color. Fall carrots are on the way. Here I'm growing the Space Master cucumber and they typically mature in 55 to 65 days. So this is a perfect sort of end of summer succession planting cucumber variety. Again, experimenting. I've never grown cucumbers on my deck before, but we're going to find out this season. They require at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight. And I'll probably add some really fun, colorful planters to this space as well. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.